Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MissFlips. If you guys are new here, my name is Marissa and I flip furniture. So today we are going to be teaching you guys how to repair this guy. It's so easy. You just buy a little thing off of Amazon and use some glue. You can use some nails or screws if you want and just tack it in there, glue it on, and boom, you're good to go. But don't just listen to me. Let's see how I do it. So as you can see, this guy is just a wee bit broken, so we are going to be replacing that, taking out this screw and replacing it with a completely new piece. I got this piece off of Amazon and I will make sure to include the link below to the piece that I actually got. But this fix is relatively easy. All we need to do is replace the bottom one. So I'm just going to be going ahead and doing that. But first you want to make sure that the piece itself will actually fit into the original piece that you are not replacing. But once you're done with this step and you are sure your pieces will fit together, you can go ahead and get started on the gluing process. So for this particular project, I am using this glue here, and I find it to be really, really strong and it dries pretty quickly. And I don't have regular clamps, unfortunately. All I have are these massive boys right here, so I went ahead and used that and clamped it down and left it to dry overnight. I wanted to be sure to leave it a good while before I took off the clamps. That way I was sure that it was going to be really secure. So that's it. That thing was so stuck to the bottom of that drawer, I could not even begin to move it if I tried. Maybe with like a hammer or something, but like it was on there. As I did in the video, I made sure that the drawer slide was going to work with the piece that was already on the drawer, just to see if I didn't have to replace the whole thing. I wanted it to be as original and as like the other drawers as I possibly could make it. So I didn't replace the part that was on the bottom of the drawer, just the part that was underneath the drawer, and it worked fine, no problems there. One thing you do want to do though is to make sure that you have those clamps and to make sure that you leave it for the appropriate time to let it set. That way you know that thing is not going to go anywhere. And that's basically it. Super affordable, super easy to do. If you guys want a link to the part that I bought, please go check out the link below. I will include it there in the product list department. And if you guys have any pointers for me or any comments, suggestions, all that good stuff, make sure to leave it in the comment section below and make sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. I come out with a video every Thursday, and this week there might be a little surprise. 2 videos in 1 week. Maybe. Stay tuned, guys. Stay flippin'.